Howdy!
Howdy Jim, it's me, Snack Head Cowboy here, and I think you're really going to enjoy this Manchester Tart. It's proper retro, brings back a lot of fond memories of school dinners. Anyway, yeah, you can still find it in a few bakeries in the local area here in Manchester. So yeah, hope you enjoy, mate. Cheers.
Manchester Tart, I'm on it! I'll start by baking this pie shell according to directions. The pie shell is cooked. It's time to add some raspberry jam. Homemade. Layer it in the bottom of a shell. Spread them. Sprinkle on a little coconut. Now I'm gonna heat up a can of custard from Devon. Pour that into the tart. Sprinkle with more coconut. I'm gonna add some cherries and then I'm gonna let it chill for a few hours. Manchester Tart! Let's give this a try. Woo-wee! That's some good custard. And I love that jam. A Manchester Tart is great. I want to saddle up and head to Manchester soon. Thank you, Snack Head Cowboy, for suggesting this tasty treat. Now, folks, make sure you go and head over and see Snack Head Cowboy. He's going to be rustling up something really fun, too, that I suggested. Thanks for watching Jim's Sketch Kitchen. Howdy! See you next time. What would you call a low-calorie meal for a cowboy? A saddle light dish.